The black-white residence stands as a testament to architectural reinvention, breathing new life into the bones of an existing structure. Architect David Jameson, guided by the concept of ruins and the art of aperture, has crafted a residence that is both a stark contrast to its natural surroundings and a seamless integration with the landscape. The existing masonry shell serves as a canvas for a dramatic transformation. The ground floor undergoes a careful renovation, while a second-story addition, a significantly smaller footprint, emerges like a delicate sculpture. This interplay of old and new, of mass and void, defines the character of the residence. For modern glass temples, shimmering volumes of light rise from a pristine white stucco plinth. These ethereal structures, reminiscent of the Acropolis, define the spaces between them, creating a dynamic interplay of light and shadow. A sleek black core, extending to embrace each space, acts as a unifying element, stitching the glass temples together. By day, these glass volumes act as conduits for natural light, flooding the interiors with warmth and brightness. At night, they transform into beacons, glowing softly against the darkness and casting an ethereal glow upon the surrounding landscape. The design meticulously considers the interplay of views and perspectives. Long, thin census windows, facing the street, frame the rhythmic cadence of tree trunks while carefully editing out the distractions of passing vehicles. Above, the glass volumes offer panoramic vistas of the tree canopy and the expansive sky. Towards the rear yard, a single glass volume dramatically slices through the plinth, framing breathtaking two-story views of the natural surroundings. The black-white residence is a celebration of light, space, and the art of framing. It is a testament to the power of architectural intervention to transform the ordinary into the extraordinary, creating a home that is both a refuge and a point of connection with the natural world.